The economy and GDP of the nation are significantly stumbling as curfews and lockdowns have been imposed across several states all over India. PM Modi has avoided all the chances of putting a nationwide lockdown as the economy may suffer greatly for the fiscal year 2021. The country's unpreparedness during the previous year resulted in the excruciation of many citizens. The migrant workers had to travel long distances to reach their homes. The current economy of India depends on the middle market people and the service sector. The world's sixth largest economy with a nominal GDP, India was paving its way to become one of the world's most influential economies. Irrespective of the COVID-19 pandemic's deadly effect on India, ADB, the Asian Development Bank, has predicted that India might see a rebound of 11% in the GDP of the fiscal year 2021-2022. If we ensure fast vaccination among the people of India, then the virus can be contained soon. This will eventually result in faster GDP growth, they further added to their report. 1.2% slip in GDP can be seen in India due to the second wave of COVID. The second wave of COVID-19 could disrupt India's recovery, the international rating agency S&P stated on Wednesday, warning that the pandemic's outbreak could increase by end of June and could slip down to 2.8% of the GDP growth by fiscal year of 2022. In the most recent update, the ratings have proved two negative economic conditions, severe and moderate. The second wave of COVID shows a moderate impact, then the GDP may be down by 1.2% in India, says Mishra, an economist. S&P said that the arrival of the second wave of COVID can disturb the growing economy of India as various institutions have stopped their workings to avoid contact with the virus. We can expect to see the impact of the downfall to be related to the upcoming wave. It will be very minor as compared to the last year, and this will show its effects in our numbers as we see a 1.2% further downfall in the average that would not be considered as a serious problem for us, he said. The peak of the pandemic is coming in a few days. Such a huge number of cases will greatly exhaust the medical and health facilities of the country, Rana further added. Looking at the full year data, he commented, for FY21, we are working for the full year growth. This will result in at least -8% in the GDP. The numbers can go even higher as -7.4%, which will show its major effects in fiscal year 2021-2022.